guys, welcome to MADHU'S Culinary Craft. Today's recipe is tasty and delicious creamy spinach pasta. Things required are 2 cups of pasta, half a cup of grated cheese, 1 teaspoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of maida, palak, half a liter of milk, salt and sugar, Italian seasoning, olives. Let's get started. First, boil the water. Add 2 pinch of salt, and drizzle the olive oil. Add 2 cups of pasta. Cook them in the boiling water. Again, boil the water. Add 2 pinch of sugar. Add the palak. Blanch the palak for about 1 minute. Remove it and add it in the grinder and grind it into paste. Now boil the milk. Add bay leaf, 2 cloves, onion. Let them boil in the milk. Now the milk is boiled. Filter it and keep it aside. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon of butter, add 1 tablespoon of maida. Cook it until it is brown. At this stage, add half a liter of filtered milk. Stir it to avoid the lumps. Now the milk is thicker. At this stage, we are adding half a cup of cheese. Now add grinded palak, add Italian seasoning, mix them well, add salt as per the taste. Now at this stage we are going to add the boiled pasta. Mix them well. At last, add the olives. Mix them well. Here, our yummy and super tasty creamy spinach pasta is ready to serve. Watch the next video. Comment down below your favorite pasta recipe. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.